With HelloFresh, you get the chance to reflect on what's possible. Like the potential for rediscovering quality time with a recipe that lets everyone pitch in. Or for reinvesting in routines you actually enjoy, when breakfast is easy for a change. Or for rebuilding a healthy lifestyle one meal at a time. And remembering how to have fun in the process, even if that means dessert before dinner. HelloFresh helps you do more than see what's possible.
Mom, we want to make dinner together tonight.
Yeah!
We make it a reality.
Go to HelloFresh.com and use code YouTube16free for 16 free meals plus 3 surprise gifts.